Good morning, everybody. Starting this day from Split, which is in Croatia. So the plan for the day is to start from here and go all the way down to Dubrovnik. And we're gonna go not on fast highway. We're gonna take the route which is so-called Adriatic Highway. Back in the day, it was the only road which you can use if you want to go down to Dubrovnik, Montenegro, Albania. Nowadays, of course, Croatia built already quite few roads, including fast highway. But the fast highway is not really point of my interest. I want to actually take you on a trip and go through small villages, small towns which are on the coast. Croatia is amazing, and in this video I want to share with you why riding a motorcycle here is a pure joy. If you've been following my channel, you know I ride in Bosnia, Montenegro and Albania. Bosnia gives you the culture, Montenegro gives you national parks and UNESCO sites, Albania gives you wild mountains, but Croatia gives you the coast, one of the most scenic coastlines you can ride in Europe. Most people come to Croatia for beach holidays, yachts and summer tourism, but if you're a rider, Croatia hits completely differently. You get long sweeping coastal curves, clean asphalt, clear open visibility, and a coastline full of islands you can hop between. All of that within a short distances, no long transit days, no boring sections, just pure riding pleasure. Here's something important. I personally prefer Croatia in autumn or early spring. Before the peak season crowds, the entire coastline feels like it belongs to you. The roads are empty, prices are normal, the weather is mild. And here is a key difference compared to Montenegro and Albania. In Montenegro and Albania, the high mountain passes stay closed until late April or early May, but in Croatia the coast is accessible much earlier. It is the perfect way to start your riding season early or stretch it into late autumn. But let's be honest, off-season has its own downsides. Croatia lives from the tourism. When the season ends, many people move to the capital or bigger towns. Restaurants close, cafes close, entire villages go quiet. Sometimes you stop in a coastal town and nothing works except the supermarket. And yes, I've been in situations where even finding an open cafe becomes a quest. But this silence, this slow rhythm, it gives the coastline a very special atmosphere. It is peaceful and moody, perfect for motorcycle travel. Just keep in mind, it is a great place to escape to if you want to detach from the busy streets of your hometown. But live here for 2 months in winter and you will start craving a big city very fast. Now let's talk about the roads. The Croatian Adriatic Highway from Split all the way down to Dubrovnik is one of the most beautiful stretches you can ride in the whole region. So it's mid-November, weather is good, roads is good, bike is good as well. I'm just cruising down the coast. Look at those boats. That's crazy. Yeah, 15 degrees Celsius today. Currently it's off season, of course, and you can see everything is closed, absolutely everything. So wherever you go, 90% chance that place will be closed. But of course summertime it is super crowded around here. So if you guys traveling by the bike, I would highly advise you to try this highway. It's beautiful, you're not going fast, but it is sort of like winding road. So what you can do, you can either go this road, or you can go from island to island, or what you can also do, you can do a loop. So you can do islands and the road. Picture this, you have mountains rising on one side, the Adriatic Sea on the other, smooth curves with scenic views, small coastal villages. This road is not about the speed, it's about rhythm, it's about the flow, it's about enjoying every corner. This kind of road the Yamaha Tracer was built for: predictable curves, great visibility, and perfect touring geometry. You can spend the entire day here and never get bored. One of the coolest things about riding in Croatia is how easy it is to visit the islands as a part of your Adriatic Highway detour. You can take ferries to places like Hvar, Korčula or Mljet. I'm on a ferry from Korčula to Split, and if you don't want to miss this ferry, you actually have to wake up quite earlier. So ferry departs around 6:15 or like 6 a.m. let's say. You have to be up at least 1 hour before because you need to come, stay in a line, wait for a ferry and then go. Otherwise, if you miss it, you're not gonna get another one until I think like 3 p.m. or something like that. So yeah, it's kind of adventure. Depending on where you go, ferries can take between 1.5 hours and 3 hours, and once you arrive, empty island roads, vineyards stretching across the hills, Adriatic waters, small marinas, cafes, and all coastal towns. For me, Hvar is one of the highlights. The old town is beautiful, the ride across the islands is peaceful, and the atmosphere is very different from the mainland. The islands give you trip an extra dimension, like riding through the small self-contained worlds. Since we're talking about the coast, I should mention one thing you'll definitely experience here is a strong wind called Bura. This is a powerful gusty wind that hits the coastline, especially in winter. Sometimes you can even feel the bike being pushed sideways. It's not dangerous if you take it easy, but it's something unique to the region. Every time I return to Croatia, I am reminded why this place is so special for riders. The coastline, the ferries, the islands, the empty curves, the silence, everything here invites you to slow down and enjoy the moment. It is a completely different vibe than the Alps or Dolomites. It's not about altitude or big mountain passes. It's about the sea, the sun, and the flow of the road. Whether you're on a motorcycle or in a car, Croatia is one of the best coastal destinations you can explore in Europe. And if you are planning a Balkan motorcycle trip, make sure Croatia is on your list. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel and more motorcycle content from the Balkans, subscribe to the channel. I publish new videos regularly and I am covering countries such as Montenegro, Albania, Bosnia and more. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!